wonderful learners. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and I want to encourage you to subscribe. Today, we want to consider a topic which is formulation of quadratic equation from the given root. And the examples that we want to solve today, the question asks us to find the quadratic equation whose roots are number 1, 2, and 3, number 2 minus 5 and 7, and number 3, 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. So let's solve these questions. The first thing that you need to do, let the unknown variable be x. So if you want to solve number 1 now, you are going to assume that x is equals to 2 and at the same time x is also equals to 3. So by the time you solve it further, we are going to have s minus 2 is equals to 0 or s minus 3 is equals to 0. Then we are going to expand. So we are going to have s minus 2 in bracket of s minus 3 is equals to 0. So the next thing to do is to expand this. So we are going to open one for another. We are going to have s in bracket of s minus 3 minus 2 in bracket of s minus 3 is equals to 0. Then we have s squared minus 3s minus 2s plus 6 is equals to 0. S squared minus 5s plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for these roots, which are 2 and 3. Let's solve question 2. We have minus 5 and 7. So we assume that s is equals to minus 5 or s is equals to 7. Then from here, by the time minus 5 comes to this side, we are going to have s plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 7 is equals to 0. So we are going to have s plus 5 in bracket of s minus 7 is equals to 0. And we are going to expand it. We have s minus 7 plus 5 into s minus 7 is equals to 0. S squared minus 7s plus 5s minus 35 is equals to 0. Then we are going to have s squared minus 2s minus 35 is equal to 0. Let's solve the third one. We have 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. X is equals to 3 over 4 or x is equals to 2 over 3. So we are going to have x minus 3 over 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 over 3 is equals to 0. Then we are going to bring the two expressions together. We are going to have s minus 3 over 4 in bracket of s minus 2 over 3 is equals to 0. Then the next step to take is to expand. So we are going to have s in bracket of s minus 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4 in bracket of s minus 2 over 3 is equals to 0. So by the time we open the bracket, we are going to have s squared minus 2s over 3 minus 3s over 4. Minus times minus will give us plus. 3 times 2 will give us 6. 4 times 3 will give us 12 is equals to 0. Then the next step to take here is to multiply by 12. Multiply both sides by 12 in order to eliminate the denominators. So we are going to have 12s squared minus 12 times 2s over 3 minus 12 times 3s over 4 plus 12 times 6 over 12 is equals to 0 times 12. Then we are going to have 12s squared, 3 here 1, 3 here 4. We are going to have minus 8s, 4 here 1, 4 here 3, minus 9s, then 12 here 1, 12 here 1. We are going to have plus 6, and the 0 times 12 will give us 0. So we are going to have 12s squared minus 17s plus 6 is equals to 0. So I want you to attempt this question as well. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are number 1, you have minus 5 and minus 4. Number 2, you have 4 over 5 and 3 over 7. And number 3, you have minus 1 over 4 and 6. Put your answers in the comment section. Thank you.